stationary. Is that 1, 2? I believe that's 2. One big one for sure. Oh, there's 2. There's another one behind the big one at least. God bless.
What is in the sky right now? Look at that. They're moving up and down. Oh my God, what is that? This isn't photoshopped. It's not Adobe Illustrator. It's not any type of what? Oh my God. I just came back from picking up some food and I seen this in the sky. I'm gonna keep recording and see what happens here. Look, they're starting to disappear now. I don't know if this is some sort of like those Japanese lanterns or whatever they're called or what this is, but they're moving up and down. I've never seen, I've never seen them do that before, if that's what those are. Look, they're fading in and out too. What is this? This is crazy. And it's not like they're just moving up. They're moving left, right, up, down. Getting brighter and dimmer. Now I know the Ross County Fair just started, which is where I'm at. I don't know if that's what these are from, if they're doing something there. But I mean, the fair's a pretty good distance from where I'm at. There's only a few left now. One on the right's about to dim out. I mean, it could be Like I said, because the fair just started, it could be something from there, some of those lanterns or whatever they're called. But I've definitely never seen anything like that before. Like I said, not them going up and down, you know. Looks like we got just 2 left. One left now, it looks like. That one's just holding still now. It's not going up or down. I want to keep watching that one, see if it dims out too. It hasn't moved up, down, left, or right. Still up there, barely. You can barely see it in the screen there. And that's what makes me question those Japanese lanterns, because if all the other ones went out by now, that one should be out too by now, I would think anyways. And it's pulsating. It's getting brighter and dimmer. Look, brighter, and then it's going to dim out. I think you can't see it now because that stoplight, maybe barely right there in the center of the screen. Yeah, you can see it pulsating too. That's not the camera. That's what it's really doing. And oh, it was gone. It's gone now. That's weird.